The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. So we don't refer to a perimeter anymore for a circle, just the circumference. When we work out the circumference of a circle, there's a formula that's given, and the formula is circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. Now this is a fairly easy formula to use, but just beware that you've got to use the value that is asked for. In these two examples, pi is going to be 3.14, and in this one it'll be the fraction 22 over 7. Sometimes you're free to use your calculator pi, so read the question carefully. In this case we've got circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius, and we know that pi in this case is going to be 3.14, so it's a rounded number, and then the radius is given by 5, the distance from the center to the circumference. And when we work this out, we get 3.14, and in this case centimeters. Once again, we're looking at a line measurement, not an area, so it just remains as centimeters. In this question we don't have a full circle, we have a semicircle. So when we're asked to work out the perimeter of this shape, be aware that we need half of the circumference as well as the distance from here to here, which is known as the diameter. Now in the formula for circumference, we know that C is equal to 2 times pi times r. Now this would be for a full circle. So let's work it out for the full circle. So that would be 2 times, now in this case we're going to use 22 over 7, and times it by the radius. Now here's another trick, because the diameter is 14, so the radius is 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So we're going to substitute 7 millimeters into here. Now this 7 will cancel with this 7, and we have 2 times 22, 44 millimeters as our distance right around. But we need a semicircle arc. So the semicircle arc, which is this distance around here, is equal to 44 divided by 2, which is equal to 22 millimeters. Alright, so that's the part that we're going to use. So the full shape, the perimeter for the full shape will be equal to this. There's our perimeter. We need the semicircle arc, which is 22 millimeters, and of course we can't forget the full distance across, which is 14 millimeters, giving us a total distance or perimeter for this shape of 36 millimeters.